Mommy, can I please go exploring? No, it's too dangerous. And we have to stay by the herd. We might travel soon. But Mom, I have to go before we move. It sounds really awesome here. And look around us. There's so many interesting things I want to explore. I barely ever go explore. Please? Okay, son, you can go. What? Really, Dad? Thank you. You're welcome. Now go have fun. And remember to be back before dark because we're going to travel tomorrow. Okay, thank you, Dad. Bye-bye. What are you doing? He can't go exploring. It's too dangerous. I don't want him getting hurt. He'll be okay. We've taught him enough that he'll be fine when he goes out and adventuring. Plus, he has to be back before dark or we'll go out and look for him. I don't like this, but okay. He can go, but he better be back before dark. I don't want him to get lost or hurt. I know, I don't either. But he'll be fine. We've taught him so much. Remember, everyone, we're leaving tomorrow to go explore new land. Okay? Make sure you remember. Goodbye. I can't believe they let me go. I can't believe. What can I find? I haven't been out here ever. Well, I'm definitely going to be back before dark because I don't know what would be out in the dark. I've always been asleep before dark. Well, my mom says I have to go to bed before dark, but I may be okay. Look, it's a cool mountain. I want to climb. I'm okay. Ow! I'm okay. It's just a bruise. I'm okay. I'm okay. Woohoo! I made it to the top. I'm so happy. Yay! I can't believe it. I'm so excited. I made it to the top of the mountain. Wow! It's so cool up here. I just have to get down now. Okay. Okay, let's do it. But first I want to explore up here. It's so cool up here. Look at all this stuff. What if I made like a little hangout here? This would be awesome. I'm just sad that we're moving. I just found all this really cool stuff and I don't really want to go now. Maybe I could talk with the herd. Maybe we could stay. Oh, I'd be so happy. Now I just have to get down the mountain. I almost fell. Okay, that was so scary. I just need to lie down for a moment. Okay, I'll be okay. You just need to take a quick rest. Maybe I'll shut my eyes for a moment, and then I'll be okay. Okay. Close your eyes. Everything will be okay when you open them again. I won't fall asleep. I'll just close my eyes. Did I fall asleep? How long was I sleeping for? I don't know how long I was sleeping for. I have to get home now. What was that noise? Is it a horse? What is that? I have to go look for it. Is it okay? Maybe it's hurt. Oh no. I have to keep searching. Someone could be hurt. I'm okay. I just climbed down. Whew. Okay, now I have to find that noise. Maybe it stopped. Maybe they're okay. No, No, it's still continuing. Where could it be? By the way, which way did I even come from? I don't know. I'll find it on the way back. I wonder what it could be. Maybe somewhere this way? Okay, I'm coming. I hope nobody's hurt. Maybe they're okay. Huh? What is that? Oh, wow. It's more horses. Maybe I can go meet them. Maybe I'll make a new friend. Oh, I don't know. Are they mean? My mom says not to talk to strangers, but maybe they can help me home. Yay! I'll go look for them. Hi. Hi. It's very nice to see you. Hi. Do you guys hear someone? I think I hear someone saying hi. Yeah, I do too. Me too. I do too. What could it be? I don't know. What is it? Let's look. Hi, it's me. Hi. I'm Cucumber. What's your name? I'm Blizzard. Nice to meet you. This is our herd. Over there's Petal. Hi. Over there's Cookie. Hi. Over there's Missy. Hi. And over here's Scout. Hello. Hi, everyone. It's so very nice to meet you. Was anyone hurt? I heard a loud whinnying. Is everyone okay? Yeah, we were all just talking. Everyone's okay, right, guys? Yeah, we're all good. Oh, well, my name's Cucumber. It's very nice to meet you. Are you a herd? Yeah, this is our herd. And are you missing from someone? Oh, are you okay? You're so cute. Where's your mom? Are you okay? Can we keep it? Oh, you're so cute. Hi. Well, I'm a little lost, but I'm okay. I'll just have to find my way back home. You're lost? We'll help you. Right, Blizzard? Yep. We'll help. Yay! I get to find my way home. Maybe my herd can meet you. You have your own herd? No, but I live in a herd. Okay, we'll help you home. Which way did you come from? What herd are you from? Well, I'm in a wild horse herd, and I came to this mountain, and my mom's name is Pumpkin, and my dad's name is Muffin, and I'm Cucumber. Oh, we might be able to help you. We know the mountain. How far were you? We were straight away. It was just right across the mountain. Okay, we can help you there. Right, Blizzard? Okay, let's go then. Okay, Cucumber. Once we get over the mountain, you're going to have to, once you see your family, you're going to have to tell us which herd you're in, okay? And then we'll bring you there, okay? Okay. Okay, let's keep going. Is everyone okay? Yeah, we're okay. Okay, let's continue then. Okay, we're at the mountain. Are you sure you can climb, Cucumber? Yep, I climbed up the mountain by myself. I'll be okay. Is everyone ready to start climbing? Yep, because the mountain's right ahead. Okay, let's all start. Come on, let's go. Okay, I'll go first, and then I'll help everyone up. Okay, come on, everyone. I'll help everyone up. Cucumber, you're next. Come on. Okay, thank you. Okay, Missy, you're next. Come on, Missy. I'm coming. This is hard. Sorry, Blizzard. It's okay. Just come. Okay, let's all go. Ready? Okay. Petal, you come next. Okay. Excuse me, Missy. I'm just gonna lay down for a moment. Okay, Cookie, you're next. Okay, coming. And Scout, you're last. Last but not least, Scout. Okay, I'm coming. Okay, we're almost done. Now we just have to come down. Come on, everyone. Let's go. Okay, let's go. Come on. Here we go. Okay, is everyone down safely? Yeah, we're all okay. We're all fine. We're all okay. Okay, well then we're good. Mom! Dad! Mom! Dad! Cucumber, wait for us. We have to come with you. Cucumber! Mom! 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 Oh, sweetie, where were you? We were so worried. Cucumber! 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 Oh, hi. Cucumber, who are these people? Cucumber, don't run away from us. We're good. Don't worry. Cucumber, please don't go. Cucumber, come on. We need to get you. Cucumber, cucumber. Cucumber! Cucumber! Wait for me. I'm coming too. Cucumber, who are these people? I met them on my trip. They're a different herd and I got lost, so they brought me home. Well, that's very nice of you. Thank you very much for taking my son home. Now, it was very nice meeting you. Can I stay for now? Please? Well, I think that'd be okay.